Here I have Motorola G100 and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly, let's go to the upper bar and here you can find the button Screen Record. By tapping on this button once, screen recording starts. If you hold your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change viewfinder size here. You can change video resolution and you can change its frame rate. And you can also record touch points, show interactions in the video. So to start recording, let's tap on this button once, then tap start, and after this timer recording starts, here you can enable or disable your microphone. You can enable only microphone, you can enable system sounds or microphone and system sounds. You can enable this view finder here. So let's record some of our screen. To stop recording, tap on this red button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. And here it is. You can find it here in screen record section. Enable only microphone, you can enable system sounds or microphone and system sounds. You can enable this. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.